you, that means you are only talking to one person, and that too in the informal situation. But vous is having two separate meanings or separate usages.
Hey there, welcome to frenchnyou, your go-to place for affordable live online French courses. Whether you are a beginner or preparing for DELF or DELF exam, we have got you covered. Join our global community of more than 25,000 learners from more than 45 different countries with 2 million plus views on YouTube. On our website, you can rate your own French level and pick the batch that suits you best. We offer multiple time slots and you get to choose two preferences at the time of registration. Every French course includes 2 mock DELF practice exams and a course completion certificate. Visit frenchnyou.com to explore course details, success stories and more.
Now, I think we are good to start with the lesson number 1. So the first one is saluer nous présenter et prendre congé. That means to greet each other, to present ourselves, and to take leave. So this will be the objective of the first lesson. Lesson one, titled as Bonjour, because this is the first lesson actually after the introductory part, and that's why they have, I think, started with Bonjour. So greeting, they have already done they have greeted us, and now I think few things we have already discussed. So I think some of the things will be repeated. Okay, so here we go. So if you will observe this particular section of the of the page, so you know what is the difference between tu or vous? So which one is informal? Tu is informal, and the meaning is vous. Meaning is you, right? Both of them means the same thing, right? You, tu and vous. So tu is the informal way, and vous is the formal way. Another difference is vous is also used when you are addressing multiple people. For example, aap log. So if you are using tu, that means you are only talking to one person, and that too in the informal situation. But vous is having two separate meanings or separate usages. So either you use vous in the formal situation, okay, maybe to your boss or to your one elder or a stranger maybe. And another way is to address more than one people, more than one person. Right? For example, when you talk to maybe 2, 3 people, then you can use you. Now we will understand how do we say how are you in both formal and informal situation. Sometime I also ask you guys whenever you come in the class, I ask Kamo Sava, right? Kamo Sava. So that is the informal way of saying how are you. How are you or how is it going? Multiple ways of saying how are you. Kamo Sava. So this is first way of saying, right? And this is the informal way. And now I will also tell you how we can reply for these. Okay. Now let's say somebody told you Como Sava. So you can simply reply by saying Sava. So and Sava is like, oh, I'm okay, okay. Then in case you want to say, I mean, things are good or I am good, you can say Sava bean. Things are going good. Now let's say you want to say I'm very good, quite happy, you want to say I'm very good. You can simply add tre in this. TR, tre. So you can say Sava tre bien. And that means I am very good. This increases the intensity. Then we have another way. I am so. Okay. ना बहुत बढ़िया ना बहुत बेकार. Yes, so. So, com si, com sa. Com si, com sa. So, Sava and com sa, more or less the same thing. Sometimes you may not be good. So, Sava mal is I am not good or things are not going good. Savamal. You can also say Savamal when you are like sick, when you are not in a good condition, good health. Then also you can use Savamal. In case you are like, no, you want to say I'm not very good, I'm very not in a really actually a good situation. I'm in a very very bad situation. Then you can say it's Savatremal, right? So that will keep on going. Okay. So we now know informal way. One way of for informal. This is one way, right? Now there is another way to say how are you in the informal way. And that is como va tu. Como va tu. But please remember, these are all informal ways. Okay. And how we can respond to it? We can respond to it like je vais bien. Now you can also say je vais mal. So these are a few ways in which you can reply for como va tu. These are all informal ways. Somebody can ask you, tu vas bien? Are you going good? So tu vas bien? Are you doing well? So the answer can be oui, je vais bien. In case not, still, if you want to know, you can say no, je vais mal. So these are some of the ways in which you can ask, how are you in French? That's it, Anuriti, for today.